Over here, you can see that I am in the video editor in YouTube Studio. And you can access out the video editor by going on to the content section of your YouTube Studio and by selecting a video. And once you do that, you can click on the editor to get to the video editor. So on the video editor, one of the things that you can do is blur out sections of your videos. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on the add blur button right here. So you can choose face blur, which detects out the faces in a video and blurs them out, or you can go around and use custom blur in this case. So once you go around and do that, here you can see that there's a blur area. You can select, let's say for example, oval right here, fix blur position over here, or track out objects that may be there in the video as well, which tracks out objects that moves as well. So once you do that, you can see that this is the area and it tracks out the thing to be blurred, and you can see that it follows that around right here. But if you fix it in place, then what happens is that it stays fixed right here. So let's say you want to blur out, let's say, a certain portion right here. You can go around resize and keep it right here, and that is what you have. It can be rectangle or oval according to how you like right here, just like this. And then you can see that this is the overall blur that is there. So you can also go around and then, let's say for example, resize this out right here. So the blur starts from a certain section as well and lasts till certain section, as you can see right here. So you can go around and do this, as you can see, and you can go around, add in more blur if you want as well. If you want face blur, then it detects out faces as well. But in my case, there is no faces, so I cannot really add that in. But if you have video footage with faces, then it blurs out the faces once you use that option. If I were to go around and click on blur and in custom blur, then you can see that I can add in another shape over here just like this as well. And once you're happy with the result, you can go around and then change around, let's say, the length of the video right over here as well. That is the length of where the blur is. And then you can go around and hit the save button. Once you do that, you can see that it says it may take a few hours for the changes to apply, and during that time, viewer will be able to see the current version of the video, that is the old version of the video before the edit, and you won't be able to make changes to the video until the processing is complete, and the original version of the video will be stored so you can undo the edits. So you can still undo the edits and the original video won't be deleted. So that is something that is handy inside of YouTube Video Editor. So you can go around and hit the save button right there. And once that happens, it may take some time for the video to finish processing. And then what happens is that until that time, the viewers will be able to see your old video itself. And that is how you can blur out uploaded videos inside of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.